What's good, TNC fam? It's your boy Topic, man. It's another day, it's another vibe, and it's another vid, man. So if you new to the channel, go and like the video and subscribe to the channel. I promise you won't regret it later on. But yeah, let's go and get into it. So, as y'all see, man, everything looking real good. Behind the scenes, I went back over this with some matte black paint. We used the DS18 decal since we are using the 0 gauge wide band, and we got the 16 gauge in there. Look pretty good, pretty decent, nothing major, nothing out of the box. Y'all will see how it look when it come together. Y'all already seen how my trunk looked at first. Y'all see, man, we sprayed Amplifier. It look pretty good, pretty decent. But I'm telling y'all, and y'all trust the process. All of this right here gonna look real good when I get done. Those amps right there, I had to put those right here, and we're gonna make it look neat. So if you've been watching the videos, just on the magic, man. We'll just go on fast forward the video because y'all gonna see it anyway. But it's gonna look real good, man. So I'm finna take my time out, install these Wi-Fi, heat shrink, everything on there right here, and we gonna be back, man. So here we go. Yeah, man. That's the first part. Got the amps in place. Amps in place. Already looking better, man. Already looking better, but yeah, man, we'll be back. Got the heat shrink going. Wi-Fi. I'll check it out. I'm trying to get y'all a good. Trying to get y'all a good angle on it. There we go. There we go, y'all. It's the ground to the highs. 12 volt to the highs. And we got the remote wire running from there. Yeah. Yes, sir. What y'all think, guys? You don't see no wire peeking out. Volt ground running from here off the side, 12 volt running from the front to here. I'm saying nothing much, but everything's organized. I know what's what. We ain't gonna have wires everywhere. Like, for example, this hole right here. Show y'all something. See, this where these wires coming out, but they gonna have to come from they gonna have to come from this way, cause I got the positive negative from one side coming and the opposite side. So it'll come under the board. It'll come through this hole. Go right there. Then we gonna have the subwoofer box. I got the terminals on back of the box. So this then go come, sub box go be here. The positive negative will come under. Go run them this way straight, not no bullshit, just throw them under there. We'll come up through here and we'll go right here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing this, guys, to the best of my knowledge. But for now, man, we're gonna use what we can use and we're gonna do what we gotta do, man, to get these videos out. And that's just how we go rock. And everything really come together. I know, man, this might not look like nothing, but these two pieces go play a very vital role in this whole project. Y'all know this go stop the box from sliding left, right, forward, backwards, or whatever. And then I cut this amp rack wide enough so it can touch the box. And this 2x4 right here, luckily, is thick enough for me to squeeze through just to brace this board so it won't shift forward. So we gonna have pressure here, pressure on back of the box, and this is wide enough from the back seat to the speaker box. So everything gonna be snugged in the trunk as it would be if I had modified my entire trunk and put a cover over the sub. So like I'm on let me get some good light. Like I'm on the right page, guys. Man, y'all keep supporting the channel. Y'all continue to support the channel. And as y'all see, like for real, man, like I'm getting it done. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm gonna keep grinding, guys. Until the next video, man, it's your boy Topic. Like, comment, subscribe to the next video.